Did you know that a credit score of 780 or higher can literally save you thousands of dollars when financing a business vehicle? It can mean lower interest rates, longer repayment options, and way more flexibility to grow your business. But here's the challenge. Most business owners are stuck far below that score. Today, I'm going to break down the secrets to unlocking a 780 credit score and why it's a game changer for business vehicle financing. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe for weekly tips on credit, financing, and small business money hacks. And drop a comment below. What is the biggest credit challenge you're facing right now? When it comes to business financing, especially for vehicles, your credit score isn't just a number, it's the gatekeeper. A 780 score doesn't just look good on paper, it translates into real, tangible savings. Imagine financing a $50,000 business van with excellent credit. You'd save over $5,000 in interest compared to someone with average credit. That's money back in your pocket to reinvest into your business. Now, let's get real. Building and maintaining a high credit score isn't easy, especially for business owners. You've got cash flow to manage, bills to pay, and sometimes emergencies hit. Miss a payment or two, and suddenly your score takes a dive. Or maybe you rely on credit cards to cover slow months, and your utilization skyrockets. Before you know it, you're wondering why the bank is rejecting your application or offering you sky-high interest rates? Story element. I've seen entrepreneurs working 12-hour days building great businesses, but still losing thousands every year just because their credit score wasn't high enough to qualify for prime financing. And honestly, that's frustrating. The implications of a low score go beyond just financing. High interest rates eat into your profits. Limited loan options mean you might have to delay buying that second delivery truck or upgrading equipment. And there's the hidden cost, the stress. When cash flow is tight and lenders don't trust you with better terms, it's hard to focus on growth. You're stuck in survival mode. And that's exactly why chasing that 780 benchmark is so important. So what makes up a high credit score? Let's break it down. Payment history, 35%. Asterisk, asterisk. Always make payments on time. The single biggest factor. Credit utilization, 30%. Keep balances low. Ideally, under 30% of your available credit. Length of credit history, 15%. The longer your accounts are open, the better. Credit mix, 10%. Lenders like to see you can handle credit cards, loans, maybe even a mortgage. New credit inquiries, 10%. Too many applications can drag you down. Understanding this formula is half the battle. Once you know what impacts your score, you can actually work the system in your favor. Now, let's talk about the strategies to get to 780 and beyond. 1. Pay down high-interest debt first. Credit cards are the usual culprit. 2. Diversify your credit mix. Add a small personal or credit builder loan. 3. Dispute errors on your credit report. You'd be shocked how many people are dragged down by simple mistakes. 4. Ask for a credit line increase. It lowers your utilization instantly. 5. Asterisk, asterisk. Become an authorized user. Asterisk, asterisk. If someone you trust has a strong credit card history, piggybacking can boost your score fast. 6. Use tools like Experian Boost or Credit Builder loans. They can add positive payment history for things like utilities. Someone I know went from 690 to 770 in less than a year by focusing on 2 things: paying down debt aggressively and disputing 3 incorrect marks on their credit report. Small changes can make a huge difference. So why does this matter for business vehicle financing? With a 780 credit score, banks see you as low risk. That means lower rates, higher approval odds, and longer repayment terms. Whether you're buying a single van or a fleet of trucks, the difference in cost can be massive. Over the life of a loan, strong credit can free up thousands in working capital money you can use to hire staff, market your business, or expand. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your credit score goal for 2025? Drop it in the comments. And if you're finding value here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I post new videos every week on building credit, financing smarter, and growing your business without falling into debt traps. To wrap up, 780 credit score isn't just a nice number, it's a powerful financial tool. It opens doors to better business vehicle financing, lower costs, and more opportunities for growth. Yes, it takes discipline, but the payoff is huge. So, if you're serious about growing your business, don't ignore your credit. Start today, pay down debt, monitor your report, and build healthy credit habits. Because of the difference between 680 and 780, that's the difference between struggle and success. Thanks for watching.